Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Are you ready with your math book, children? Yes, come on, let's start. Today, let us start with a new topic, that is comparing numbers. Now, let us take the example 6 and 12. We have to compare these two numbers. Here 6 is a 1-digit number and 12 is a 2-digit number. When we compare a 1-digit number and a 2-digit number, always 1-digit number is the smallest number. 1-digit number is the smallest number when we compare 1-digit number and 2-digit number. So 6 is smaller than 12. 6 is smaller than 12. Already we have learnt about these signs: less than, greater than and equal to. This symbol is called as less than, and this symbol is called as greater than, and this is called as equal to. So these are the concepts we have already learnt. Now listen, children, whenever you are comparing the numbers, whether it is greatest number or the smallest number, always compare the smallest number. Automatically everything will be correct. Now here this is called as less than symbol. This pointed side should point to the small number. Pointed side should point to the small number, and this big side should point to the bigger number or the biggest number. Is that clear? Now let us take one more example, 32 and 15. Let us compare these two numbers. Here both are 2-digit numbers. When you are comparing a 2-digit number, we have to compare the tens place first. This is ones place and this is tens place. Here also ones and tens. When we are comparing the 2-digit number, we have to compare the tens place first. Remember that. Here in tens place we have 3 and here in tens place we have 1. Now which is the smallest number? Is it 3 or 1? It is 1. So this pointed side should point to the smallest number. So 1 is small. So this pointed side should point to the small number. So 32 is greater than 15. This symbol is greater than. Now let us take one more example. Okay. The same number we can take 32 and 35. We have to compare these two numbers. I have already told you, when we are comparing 2-digit number, we have to compare the tens place first. So here in tens place we have 3 and here also we have 3. Both the digits are same. Then what we have to do? We have to go for the ones place. In ones place we have 2 here and here 5. So which digit is small now? 2. Is it 2 or 5? It is 2. So this pointed side should point to the small number. It is 32 is less than. This symbol is called as less than. 32 is less than 35. In this way you have to compare, children. Now let us take one more example, 146 and here 232. Now here both are 3-digit numbers. Here 146 is a 3-digit number and 232 is also a 3-digit number. In a 3-digit number, we have to compare the hundreds place first. This is hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. Here also write down ones, tens, hundreds. So in a 3-digit number, we have to compare the hundreds place first. In hundreds place, what is the digit we have here? Here it is 1 and here it is 2. So which digit is small now? Is it 1 or 2? It is 1. So the pointed side should point to the small number. So 146 is less than 232. All of you open page number 81, children. Write today's date. Here we have the first heading. Fill in the blanks with less than, greater than or equal to sign. The first question is 45 and 49. We have to compare 45 and 40. Here we have 45 and 49. Both are 2-digit numbers. So compare the tens place first. Here in tens we have 4 and here we have 4. Both are 4. So go for the next digit in the ones place. Here it is 5 and here it is 9. Now which number is small, 5 or 9? It is 5. So write this symbol, less than symbol. This pointed side always should point to the smaller number. Now let's move on to the next question, children. Here we have two numbers, that is 50 and 36. Let's compare it. Both are 2-digit numbers. We have to compare the tens place. Here in tens place we have 5 and here we have 3. So which number is small here, 5 or 3? It is 3. So the pointed side should point to the small number. So write down greater than symbol. This is greater than symbol. 50 is greater than 36. Now let's move on to the third question. 33 and 23. Compare the tens place. Here it is 3 and here it is 2. Which number is small? It is 2 or 3? Is it 2 or 3? It is 2. So write down the greater than symbol. This pointed one should point to the smaller number. Now the next numbers we have is 27 and 35. So let's compare the tens place first. Here we have 2 and here we have 3. So now which number is small? Is it 2 or 3? It is 2. So the pointed one should point to the smaller number. So it is less than symbol. 27 is less than 35. Now let's move on to the second heading, that is circle the bigger number. Here 9 and 26. Which number is big? This is 1-digit number and it is 2-digit number. When we compare 1-digit number and 2-digit number, 2-digit number is bigger than the 1-digit number. So 26 is bigger than 9. Circle 26, children. Now let's compare 34 and 32. Here see, in tens place both are 3. So compare the ones place. Here it is 4 and here it is 2. Now which number is big? Is it 4 or 2? It is 4. So 34 is bigger than 32. Circle 34. The next sum you try, children. Now let's move on to the next heading, that is circle the smaller number. Here we have two numbers, that is 22 and 24. Both are 2-digit numbers. We have to compare the tens place first. In tens place both have 2. So compare the ones place. It is 2 and 4. Now is it 2 or 4? Which number is small? Is it 2 or 4? It is 2. Circle 22. 22 is smaller than 24. Now let's compare the next 33 and 36. Both are 3 in tens place. So compare the next ones place, 3 and 6. Which is small? Is it 3 or 6? It is 3. So circle 33. 33 is smaller than 36. Now next sum you try for yourself, children. Now let's move on to the next heading, that is circle the biggest number. In the given 3 numbers, we have to circle the biggest number out of these 3. Here we have the first question. The numbers given are 24, 26 and 21. Out of these 3 numbers, which number is big? We have to circle. All are 2-digit numbers, so we have to compare the tens place first. So in tens place all are having 2. So go for the next ones place. It is 4, 6 and 1. Out of these 4, 6 and 1, which number is big? It is 6. So circle 26. 26 is biggest of the three numbers. Now let's move on to the second question. The given numbers are 34, 38 and 32. All are having 3 in their tens place. So compare the ones place. 4, 8 and 2. So out of these three numbers, which number is big? It is 8. So circle 38. 38 is the biggest of the given three numbers. Children, you try this next sum. Now let's move for the next heading, that is circle the smallest number. In the same way how we have done the biggest number, in the same way we have to proceed, but we have to go in for the smallest number. Here the given numbers are 22, 23 and 29. Here all are 2-digit numbers. Compare the tens place first. 2, 2, 2. All are having the same numbers. So go for the next place, that is ones place. Here 2, 3 and 9. Which number is small out of these three? Is it 2, 3 or 9? It is 2. Circle 22. 22 is smallest of the three given numbers. Now let's move for the second question. The given numbers are 33, 36 and 31. All are having 3 in their tens place. So go in for the next ones place. It is 3, 6 and 1. So 1 is smallest. Circle 31. 31 is smallest of the three given numbers. Children, you try the next sum. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day, children.